some weak people who prayed.
batari bazi umwana uri muntwara mu modoka
Someone who is driving me.
umusore uri muntwara si umwana by the way n'umugabo uri muntwara mu modoka
He's not a young man. He's a married man.
namubajije
I asked him,
ukora iki
what do you do?
kora muri iyi ndege yabazanye ati
I
kora
work
muri
in
iyi
this
ndege
flight that brought you.
oh
You work in this flight. I
Yego,
was like, okay, that's where you work.
ndimo ndiga gukanika iyi ndege
Yes, I'm learning how to repair this flight.
engineer w'indege
Flight engineer.
namubaza iwanyu ni he muri Afrika ati nawe ntahazi
I
hari
asked
ahantu
him-
umuntu atamenya
I asked him, where do you come from, Africa? And he doesn't even know.
kuko hatari no kuri map
It's not even on the map.
ndamubaza
And I asked him,
okay mbwira uko wabigemo
okay, tell me how you came through this.
ko atampaye uburenganzira bwo kuvuga témoignage simbivuga ariko ndavuga icyo nshaka kugeraho
Because he didn't give me the permission to give his testimony, I'm not going to talk about it, but I will tell you what I need to say.
ikintu yambwiye gusa ni kimwe
The only
Muri
thing
ibyo
he
byose,
told
icyo
me
nashaka kumenya
that I wanted to know,
wigana n'abandi
who are you in the same class with?
ba classmate bawe ni
Who are your classmates?
ba classmate be n'abana muri iki gihugu base bagira amadege
His classmates,
base bavutse n'abakanishi b'indege
His-
niwe wenyine gusa n'indege ntigeze amenya no kuyicapa kiri iyo ngiyi iwabo n'indege umva ntigeze narota ko yakanika indege ariko abandi barimo biga nabo avuka iwabo na basekuru barabibayemo.
some of his classmates are those people who come from the strong families whose grandfather or fathers have been engineers of flights, and he has never even tried to draw a flight, even in his childhood.
Nk'abantu
Dear people,
uzi icyatumye n'uwari mudutwara Australia nuko nawe sibyo baza nawe afite ubuhamya bumwe nk'uyu nawe kora twarinde.
even the person who drove us to Australia, he has the same testimony.
Niba ari ukugira ngo Imana impoza amarira nashatse kwiga indege hano muri Australia none ntwawe n'abantu babiri mu modoka bari mu by'indege.
I don't know if it's because God wanted to wipe my tears. I wanted to study that, but now I'm being driven by people who are studying that.
Kiri umusore mfite 23 years
When I was young, in my 23 years,
muri 94
in 1994,
nagomba kuza kwiga hano i Sydney muri Australia gukanika indege no kuyitwara.
I had to come to Sydney in
kuri
Australia.
ambasade ya Australia muri Nairobi nabitsinze ngomba kuza kwiga.
I had to come to Australia in Sydney to study how to repair a flight, but I had passed the exam in Australian embassy.
Yari ishuri
in Nairobi.
ry'Abadventiste bita Vondale College.
It was
Sydney.
It was a school of Adventists in Nairobi, in Sydney.
Wowe Nairobi kandi wowe
In
twageze
Sydney.
muri new kura dusubize Nairobi kandi dore si ibi ngibi. Anyway.
Everything is new.
We Nairobi. Anyway. Ni gute umwana nk'uyu wigana n'abantu iwabo n'umwuga indege abaja kwigaho n'indege abagiye gute n'indege donc we byatangira gute kugira ngo uje muri urwo rwego?
How does someone like that goes to the same school, in the same class with people who come from rich families where they have flights? They go to school with flights. They go anywhere with flights.
Abo rero bo babikuriyemo nibo nita intare.
Those
Ariko
who grew
uyu
up
nguyu
through
wavuye
that, I call them lions.
ikantaranga akagera niwe nita ushaka Uwiteka.
I call those